Now in this part, we are going to consume the payload, consume the JMS message which we earlier published. So let's begin. This application is deployed. What I just created another flow and added another listener, which is going to the call to this part JMS consume. And here I have used the JMS consume component. You can search here, so JMS consume, and here I've just given the destination, which is actually the queue name, and I have used the logger here, which is it will just write the message payload which I have just consumed. And here I have just also added the logger here for some sort of traceability. So I'm all set. So let me first begin with posting a message again, um, so that we can begin with where we left. So it says it's published. Status is 200. If we go back here, we can see in the console that it's saying that the published message is this. Okay, so this has been done. Let us go back to the queue and refresh it. We can see here, and in this message include, you can see that how many numbers of messages are included here, and there are no active consumers right now. So I'm going back to my queue and I'm here. So we can see the messages right here. So let us go back and in the postman, let us create a um, new request, and in this new request we are going to leverage the URL JMS consume, and I'm gonna go ahead and just click send. So it will happen and it gives me this payload. Let me see that it says the consume payload is this. So the payload has been consumed. Let us go back to the active MQ, and if I see here, test the message in queues 3, message equal 3, number of pending messages 0. So the messages we had for the consume has already been consumed. So let us go back. So it's not showing any active consumers. So that it was active for that time, but now it's not. So that's how we gonna consume our message in JMS.